Welcome in online teaching. Good morning, students. I am Mahesh Kumar, your math teacher. So, as our chapter whole numbers is going on, in which today we are going to start division. So, before starting division, let's learn few rules of division. As the first one is when a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. As you are seeing the example, if we divide 50 by 1, we will get 50. Second one is when a number is divided by itself, then the quotient is 1. Means if we divide the same number as 63, 1 divided by 63, we will get 1. And the third one is when 0 is divided by any number, then the quotient is 0. As you are seeing the example, if we divide 0 by 500, we will get 0. But listen student, division by 0 is not possible. As you are seeing the example, we can't divide 500 by 0. So that means 0 can be divided by any number, but any number can't be divided by 0. As even if you will use the calculator also, for example, if you divide 526 by 0, then you will find such result as can't divide by 0 or infinite or error. That means division by 0 is not possible. Now, next is in division, the order of number cannot be changed. As in multiplication we can change, as 5 7 is 35 and 7 5 is 35. But in division we can't change the order. As if you are seeing the example, if we divide 50 by 2, we will get 25. But if we divide 2 by 50, we will get a fraction or a decimal number. Now, let's learn division algorithm, which is, as you're seeing, we are having one example in which we are dividing 75 by 9. So as you're seeing in this, the number in which we are dividing is called dividend, and the number by which we divide is called divisor, and the result we get is called quotient. And the leftover, the remaining, if the divisor can't divide the dividend exactly, then there will be a leftover, that is called remainder, as here 3. Now if we wish to check our result, so how we can check? We can check by the division algorithm, which is dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder, which means if we multiply divisor and quotient and then we add remainder, then we will get the same value which is in dividend, then our result is correct. So what we will do here, we will put these values, as here the value of dividend is 75, divisor is 9, quotient is 8 and remainder is 3. So after multiplication of 9 and 8, we will get 72, as 72 plus 3 75. That means here we are getting the same value as in dividend. That means our result is correct. Now let's solve few questions based on this, as here we have to divide and find out the quotient and remainder and also check the answer. So the same we will do. First we will divide, as here in the first one we have to divide 1936 by 16. So what we will get? Quotient 121 and remainder 0. And as we are having dividend is 1936 and divisor is 16. So for checking the result, what we have to do? We have to use division algorithm, which is dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now we will put the values, as dividend is 1936, divisor 16, quotient 121 and here remainder is 0. So after the multiplication of divisor and quotient means 16 and 121, we will get 1936, and after adding 0 the value will not change, so we will get 1936, which is the same value as in dividend. That means our result is correct. The same we will do for the next, as here we have to divide 36,195 by 153. So after dividing, we will get quotient 236 and remainder 87. And as we are having the dividend 36,195 and divisor is 153. So for checking the result, what we have to do? We have to use the division algorithm, which is dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now we will put the values as dividend is 36,195, divisor is 153 and quotient is 236, remainder is 87. Then when we will multiply 153 and 236, we will get 36,108 and after adding the remainder, which is 87, we will get the same value, that is 36,195, which is equals to the dividend. That means our result is correct. Now let's solve few more questions based on division. Here we have to find the value of these. As we know the BODMAS rule, what we do first? First we solve the bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So here first we will solve in the first one the bracket term, as if we divide 625 by 25 we will get 25. Then after subtracting we will get the result, which is 1482. Now next is again according to the BODMAS, first we have to solve the division, and if we divide 5720 by 10 we will get 572 and after adding 981 we will get the result, which is 1553. Now the third one is, as I have told you in the rules, as if we divide the same numbers, what we get? We get 1. So if we divide 1573 by 1573, we will get 1. As we know 1 minus 1, we will get 0, which is our final answer. So students, this is all for today. We will learn more in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.